It's a 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe. Advanced safety features, a refined cabin, and towing capability make this Tahoe the perfect combination of comfort and versatility. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V8 engine, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, AM/FM satellite radio, power sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. Truck Trend writes, if you're looking for a solid off-road toy that's still laudable on-road, or a cavernous 5-seat sport ute that can swallow 7 in a pinch, the Tahoe won't disappoint. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.